Hey kids, good job. Give me a nice smile. That's it. Let's keep it going.
Boys and girls, this is my friend, Mr. A. Going through the A. Yes, A.
Always got
A
excited
for
when I walked
ant.
through the
Yeah,
door.
yeah.
I haven't been there recently.
A for armadillo.
Just lost track
Again.
of time.
A
I
for
wanna go
armadillo.
there again. Well, this is
What
weird.
is
My favorite
this?
toy store just disappeared. Wait,
B for
what? When did this happen?
beluga.
The store was right here.
Again.
And now, what?
B for
Bankrupt.
beluga. Yes, you got it.
I didn't even get to spend
What
my gift
is
card.
this?
Oh, man.
Think. B for
Don't wanna
Brahma
be a
Bull.
grown-up without a
Again.
toy superstore, but I
B
guess there's
for
other things that I
Brahma
can do
Bull.
when I'm bored.
Butterfly.
I'll just download some
B
video
for
games,
Burrow.
watch
Great
online
job.
videos, read a book, take
Like
a
camel.
walk, sing a song.
Like
It doesn't feel the
camel.
same. The toys are all gone.
What is
Time to
this?
pay my respects to my
D
favorite
for
giraffe.
dog.
I
Again.
really want another
D
hug to
for
help
dog.
make me laugh.
Great job.
Rest in peace
D
to
for
Jeffrey.
dolphin. What is
Your
this?
family,
D for dinosaur.
but it happened. Now
In
there's no more
review,
Toys
what
R Us
comes
for
after
these
D?
kids. But
E
I'll
for
always
eel.
be a Toys
What
R
is
Us
this?
kid.
E for elephant. Again. E for elephant. This.
When I was a
F
kid, I
for
loved the Toys R Us
frog.
store. I always got excited
What is
when I walked
this?
through the door.
F
I
for
haven't been
fish.
there
G
recently.
for
I
giraffe.
just lost track
Again.
of time.
G
I wanna
for
go there
giraffe.
Well, this is weird.
What
My favorite
is
toy store
this?
just disappeared. Wait,
G
what?
for
When did this
guinea
happen?
pig.
The store was right
What
here.
is this?
And now, what? Bankrupt?
H for
I can't believe
horse.
it. I didn't even
Again.
get to spend
What
my
are
gift
these,
card.
boys and
Oh,
girls?
man.
I for
Don't wanna
iguanas.
be a grown-up
Again,
without
boys and
a toy
girls.
superstore.
This.
But I guess there's
Again.
other things that I
I
can do when I'm bored.
jellyfish.
I'll just
Again.
download some
J
video
for
games, watch
jellyfish.
online videos,
What is this?
read a book, take a walk,
K for
sing a
kitten.
song.
A
It doesn't
for
feel the
killer
same. The
whale.
toys are all gone.
Good job,
Time to
everybody.
pay my
Good
respects
job.
to my favorite giraffe. I really want
What is
another hug
this?
to help make me laugh.
K for
Rest in
kangaroo.
peace to
Again.
Jeffrey.
K for
All your
kangaroo.
family. I don't wanna grow up,
What
but
is
it
this?
happened. Now there's no more
L
Toys R Us
for
these
leopard.
kids.
Lemur.
But I'll always
Again.
be a
L
Toys
for
R Us
lemur.
kid.
Oh, the guy with the...
What is this, boys and girls? M for
When I was
mouse.
a kid,
For
I loved the
mouse.
Toys R Us
Look
store.
careful.
I always
Again.
got excited when I
M
walked through the
for
door.
mosquito.
I
For
haven't been
M
there
for
recently.
monkey.
I just lost track of time.
What
I
is
wanna
this
go
on the
there
dog?
again. Well, this is weird. My favorite toy store just
N
disappeared.
for nose.
Wait, what? When did this happen?
What
The
is
store was
this?
right here.
Again.
And now, what?
O for
Bankrupt? I
orangutan.
can't believe it.
This.
I didn't even get to spend my
O
gift card.
for owl. Is this? Again.
Don't
P
wanna be a
for
grown-up
pigeon.
without a toy superstore, but I guess
P
there's other things
for
that I can do
penguin.
when I'm bored.
On
I'll
and
just
U for
download
queen
some
bee.
video
R
games,
for
watch
rat.
online
What is this,
videos,
boys and girls?
read a book, take
S
a walk,
for
sing
snake.
a song.
Flowers.
It doesn't feel the same.
What
The toys
is
are all gone.
this?
Time
Again.
to pay my
S
respects
for
to my
Siamese
favorite giraffe.
cat.
I
S.
really want another hug to help
S
make me
for
laugh.
shark.
Rest in peace
What
to
is again?
Jeffrey.
T for tiger. Unicorn fish.
I don't wanna
Again.
grow up, but
U
it happened.
for
Now there's
unicorn
no more
fish.
Toys R Us
For
these
umbrella. Again.
kids. But I'll
Hello,
always
boys
be
and girls.
a
It's
Toys
my
R
friend the
Us
vampire
kid.
back. V for vampire. Yes.
W for wolf dog. Yes. W for wallaby.
Watch online
Again.
videos,
W for
read a book,
wallaby.
take a
X like in
Sing
oxen.
a song. It doesn't
Again,
feel the same.
what
Each
is
voice are all
this?
gone.
Y
Time to
for
pay my
yak.
respects to my
Again,
favorite giraffe.
Y
I really
for
want another
yak.
hug to help make me laugh.
What is
Rest
this?
in peace to Jeffrey.
Z for zebra. Again, Z for zebra.